When somebody passes away and leaves property, that property has to be managed and has to be distributed. Probate proceedings are filed normally in the circuit court in the county where the person resided at the time of death. A testate proceeding is when a person leaves a will, and that's pretty straightforward unless there's some dissension about the actual will, and that has happened. Then you have what we call an intestate proceeding, and that's where there's no will, and in that it's mainly statutory as to who the court will appoint as the personal representative, otherwise known as an executor, and how the assets will be distributed. The statute prescribes that an individual filing probate should be represented by an attorney. Normally the person would call the office, I would meet with them, give them a free consultation to go through the facts and what their questions are, and based on that, after I explain all the particulars to them, both factually and legally, they would determine if they want to hire me, and we would go from there. There are some nuances county to county. There's different requirements, and I practice throughout the state, so I'm pretty knowledgeable in what those proceedings are in each county. It can take as little as 3 to 6 months, or it could take years depending on the nature of the estate, the nature of what has to be done. We normally bill on an hourly basis. My hourly basis is contractual in nature. There are instances where if I believe that the circumstances allow for that, I would do a flat fee depending on the nature and complexity of the case. Funds that are expended are reimbursable from the estate and from the guardianship.